Hi everyone, my name is Mikayla.Williams. You can call me Mikayla. I like to be referred to using she, her, or hers pronouns. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, born and raised. Been here my entire life. Um, I'm 22 years old. I just graduated with my bachelor's in criminal justice and psychology from Temple University last year in May of 2019. I worked at CVS for 2 years in undergrad. I left CVS on September 11th, 2019. My birthday is September 12th, and I started my new current position on September 13th, 2019. I am a case manager at a DHS company called Turning Points for Children. We are a CUA agency. CUA stands for Community Umbrella Agency. Um, we provide ongoing services to families that have DHS involvement. My job is to ensure the safety and well-being of my clients at all times. I manage a caseload and I also testify in court when I have to for my placement cases. I am very excited about this online program at Widener, mostly because uh, even I told myself that I was going to take a year off and get my MSW. And this program, even with the pandemic and everything that's going on, has allowed me to still be able to accomplish my goals on my timeline. I'm working from home right now because of COVID-19, and I'm very happy. I sit in front of a computer for 8 hours daily already, so I'm very happy to be able to just add some more hours sitting in front of a computer pursuing a degree that I very much would love to have. Um, I'm very excited to learn and grow with you all, and I cannot wait to have many amazing discussions. Nice to meet you guys.